watching Shop Girl right now. Shop Girl, Shop Girl. Hey guys, it's me, Shop Girl, and today we're going to be, I have a really cool review for you guys, just for you guys. And it's just a Dollar Tree slime putty review. And sorry, my cats are making some noise. So, yeah, it's gonna be a Dollar Tree putty slime review. Yeah, so we got Poodoo, and we have putty, or this is slime, and then this is, I think, jiggly slime because it's so watery. Hey, Kirby's here. Oh, hi, Kirby. Let's zoom out a little bit so that we can see Curbs. What's up, Curbs? He's so cute, isn't he? Go down below if you think Kirby's cute. Hey, Kirby, get in the shot. Alright, Kirby, you want to be with us with the slime and putty? Just make sure you don't get any hair in there. Alright, so let's get back to it. What we were doing in this random football rolling around. So we got Poodoo. It says sticky and slimy and bouncy and squishy. It's goo-doo, squishy goo-doo. Stretch and twist it. Then, yeah, I think this is jiggly slime because it's so watery, or it's melted. And then this says glitter slime. And this one does too. So let's just get on with the Dollar Tree slime and putty review. So let's just start with the Poodoo. Okay, so here it is out of its boxy thingy. It looks really cute. You can see it's got a little poopy on it. Okay, so I got it open. Well, out of the package. That's what it looks like. It's so cute. I think I already showed you, but flashback. So all you have to do is just take this thing off. And I'm already rating this thing. I'm already rating it like a 10 out of 10. But first I gotta see the slime or putty. But this packaging is really cute. Okay, now let's see. Oh, this is like slime. Like you can't rip it too fast. But it's like, it's slime. It's my poop slime. This is slime. This is slime, guys. It's amazing. On the camera, it kind of has a green tint to it, but it's like a really cool brown. Slime swirl. And it was only $1. Like, it's not like the best slime. Like, if you stretch it too fast, it'll rip easily, but it's like good bubble pops too. Alright guys, so I'm gonna rate this one a 10 out of 10, even though it's a little bit of a putty texture, but it is a slimy texture. It's not sticky. It's really clicky. Like, it's really nice. Although, it does say that it is slimy and sticky. But it isn't sticky. But I'm still going to rate this one a 10 out of 10. But we also have one more thing to do with it. The slime swirl was one of them. But we have to see if it bounces. So let's try. Let's make a ball out of it. Oh, no. Okay, I got it. You didn't get nothing on it. So yeah, this one is kind of bouncy. So yeah, this one is a 10 out of 10 of my opinion. And it also looks like it's a clear slime base. It smells like bubbles too. So if you're at the dollar store, or if you ever see this, I would definitely recommend getting it because it is a really good slime. And for me, it's not sticky. So if you have a little child and you don't want it to be sticky, and you don't want them to get it stuck to the carpet, yeah, I would recommend this one. Let's get on with the next slime. Okay, next is this slime. It also says it glows in the dark, but I may not be able to do that like in this video. But if you follow me on Instagram, you might be able to see this. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, just make sure you follow me on Instagram at ShopGirlInsta. And don't mind the noises. My dad wanted to play with the poop slime because I told him it was a really nice texture, as you can hear it. Really good for crunchies and bubble pops. So let's start opening the slime. By the way, it's super melted. I think it's a jiggly slime. Let's go. Alright, so just on the list, I might probably need my scissors. And oh, here they are. Okay. Got them. While I was talking, I was like, ooh, I need to look for scissors. I found them. Okay, so let's check this slime out. Okay, I think it's definitely jiggly slime. Wow, I never like touched jiggly slime before. Whoa, it's so jiggly. You can't even poke it or nothing. And I'm kind of confused, guys. You guys tell me down in the comments if you're slime experts or you just know the answer to my question. Is jiggly slime water slime? I don't know. You guys can tell me down in the comments. And I think whoever tells me down in the comments, I'll give them a shout out in the next video, maybe. I'll try and see. But if you comment down below the answer to my question, you have a chance. This is like really weird. I mean, like, I can't poke it or anything, but it like sounds like water. But like you can't really stretch it, which I totally get it. It's jiggly slime. The only thing is, it does leave residue on my table, and I can't really get that off. It's kind of hard, but I think it's still a good jiggly slime. I think I would probably rate this like a 7 out of 10, or maybe like, I'll give it an 8 out of 10 because I don't really like how it has residue. And then, yeah. The residue on the table is kind of important because I don't really want any on my table, because I don't want it in my other slimes that I make or that I review. So if you happen to see this slime, I would recommend it. But I would also just remember that we'll leave a little bit of residue on your surface. But anyways, I give this an 8 out of 10, and now it's going to be a pain to get it off my table. Whenever you try to get it off the table, it leaves more residue. So I think I may give this actually a 7 out of 10. Because I don't like how it leaves all this residue. I don't like it. But anyway, it's a good jiggly slime. It's just, I don't like how it leaves stuff on my table. So, if you were to buy this, I would just remember that it leaves residue. So, it's a really nice texture though. So next is this slime. This is called a glitter slime. It is a blue glitter slime. It says keep away from heat. So I don't know what that means. Ooh, it's really pretty. Look at on the side. See the glitter. It's clear. It's really clear. Okay. This is like a putty. A really thick putty. You can't poke it, but for some reason it's really clicky when you try to poke it. But this isn't slime. It's like really overactivated to the point where it probably couldn't have any more activator in it. It's pretty though, which I like. And my friend at my school told me that water makes it stretchier. Tried that. It doesn't really work the first time I tried it, but I'm not gonna try it right now because I might do a fixing slime like video maybe in the future. I think that'd be fun. But anyways, I think I would rate this. I mean, like, I don't like putties because, like, they don't stretch at all, and I don't like them. I only like slime. So I think I would rate this a 5 out of 10 because it's really clicky, even though I can't poke it. And it's got a lot of glitter in it. But then, the reason why I would give it a 5 out of 10 is because you can't poke it. It's like a not slime at all, if it said putty on it, on the container, I would be, oh, you don't lie about it, it really is putty. But it says glitter slime. So, I don't really like that they lied about it, because, like, this is not slime. And one of the other good things is it's a really nice container, like really nice quality. So we'll use this, and I may fix the slime on it. So yeah. If you're at the store, I wouldn't really recommend this unless you have a more little one, so that it can't like get on the walls or carpets or anything. But it's not like, it's really not slime. So yeah. Okay, next up, we got the same thing, except red or pink. And it's also clear. I like clear slime. It's also got a really nice container. I'm hoping that this one isn't like the blue one. This one's really pretty. Okay, right at the start. Amazing. This big bubble. But the horrible putty. But it is a little bit more softer. You can actually poke it a little bit. Just a little bit. So this one is pretty much the same thing, except I would rate it more like a 6 out of 10. Number one, it is really pretty like the last one. It has a really nice container, like really nice quality. And you can poke it a little bit. And then the bad things about it is that it's putty. And it says glitter slime on the container. Not good at all. So, yeah, if I was at the store, I wouldn't really recommend this one either. Unless you have a little one that won't eat it. And so that they don't get it everywhere. But anyways, you slime collectors may not want this one. It's like not good at all. So yeah, I'm rating this a 6 out of 10. And also, the thing about these two is the glitter went everywhere on me. It's everywhere. It's gonna go in slime I make. It's gonna go in other slimes. It's just everywhere. But I'm gonna say, you guys who ever made this used pretty decent containers. I mean, like, I like them. They're really nice. So, yeah. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure you subscribe to me.